In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and install your battery in your Kia Soul. It's located under the hood on the driver's side. All right, we are going to take our battery out of the vehicle. First, you're going to start with your negative terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Put that off to the side, not touching anything. And then we disconnect the positive. Put that off to the side. I'm going to take off our insulator. All right, I'm using a 12mm long socket with an extension. I'm going to loosen up these two bolts back here for the battery hold down. And then we're going to undo this 12mm nut. Put it off to the side. And move that over. And you should be able to get your battery out. We're going to install our battery. Put your battery hold down where the lip is. Make sure your battery, the positive, is on your passenger side. That looks good. Start with your nut there. Now we can put our bolts in, hand start them. All right, once you get them started, you can zip them on. Once you tighten those up, you can tighten up your nut. All right, so we're going to put our insulator around our battery now that we tighten the hold down. And we're ready to put our positive terminal on. Use a 10mm socket, push down on it, and then this nut tightens it down. Doesn't wiggle, you're good. Now you can do your negative. All right, that's good. All right, now you can take a deep breath because this job is done. You can take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.